Find z of 0 and write the result as a single vector. So we see that this is a vector function because it has this arrow on the top and it has this parenthesis which tells us that it's a function of something. Here we see that it's a function of the variable t, and indeed we see t in its expression. Okay. And they're saying plug in a value of t equals 0. So if I plug in a value of t equals 0, I get c1, then times this vector 2 minus 2 times e to the 0 plus c2 and negative 1 times 3. Okay, let me actually write that a little bit neater. Times 3. And then e to the 0 again. Now, what is any number to the 0 power? Well, that's just 1. So, if that's just 1, then I can multiply to c and distribute that inside. So that's going to be 2c1 and negative 2c1 here. Because remember, they want us to write this as a single vector, but they still want a vector. And then we have plus negative c2 and 3c2. Because remember, the e to the 0 is just 1. So now I can rewrite this as 2c1 minus c2 and negative 2c1 plus 3c2. Okay. And this should be our final answer because we rewrote the result of this as a single vector. And some might say, hey, wait, this is not a single vector. This looks like a 2x2 matrix. Well, remember that a 2x2 matrix would have entries here, but it wouldn't have an operation in between them. It wouldn't have this and it wouldn't have this. So that's how you distinguish, and you know that those are just two terms of one 2x1 matrix, which is a vector with two entries. So this is z0 equals to 2c1 minus c2 and negative 2c1 plus 3c2. Awesome. All right. So that's how you do this one. I'll see you next time.